Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. There's peak pay on right now, so current rate is going to be $18 an hour. I think it's only going to last for an hour unless they extend it. I'm not sure, but I think all that means for me actually is going to be less orders because more people are going to be out on the road motivated by that. Luckily, did get the first order. This is a McDonald's going just under 3 miles. Did you already push the button? Yes.
All right, and for Riley.
Thank you.
There you go.
Total for that order was $11. Okay, not bad. Ooh, this next one is not very good. This is Red Leaf Coffee. This one's going like 6.5 miles. You too, thank you. Ooh, that's a no tip. Total for that was $8. Next order up is a Black Rock Coffee. This one is going 3 miles.
All right, there we go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem.
Have a great day. I appreciate you so much. Thank
Got
you.
it?
Yep.
Have a good day. Total for that order was $8. Okay, this one I've got a bad feeling about, but doing it anyways. This is a Chick-fil-A going 8 miles. Total for that one was $11. Would be pretty good if I didn't have to drive most of the way back. Oh, actually, what is this? This is taking me, I think, closer to my zone at least, so that's a good thing. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 4 miles. Next up is a different Starbucks. This one is $12 going about 7 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $20 going 9 miles, 4 items. 4 of them.
4? Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe? Did it get the angle?
Yep.
It's kind of hard
Should
with
be it. Did you have a ID?
That was my son that ordered that.
Oh.
So it's really weird. He's been buying booze from you guys. You made a run up here before?
No.
Somehow he's getting it. Somebody's getting it to him.
Yeah.
He does not have physical ID. And he's drinking himself to death, and we can't stop it. You guys have to have physical ID, don't you? There he is.
Anything like that?
This is going to get ugly. Who is it that's giving it to you?
Huh?
You keep getting it. Who is it that's allowing you?
It works.
Thank you. I'm sorry. He's going to have to return it, and he's going to have to suck it up. We've called them 3 or 4 times. He keeps getting it. He calls and he meets somebody up here, and he gets bottles like that. And the Uber says, well, they're not supposed to be doing without physical ID. I said, I'm telling you, he does not have physical ID. Just like right here. So who the hell's getting it? I mean, I don't understand why they're doing that.
I don't know what they're doing. I've never had that situation before.
I'm going to find him, and I'm going to get him arrested.
Well, that was something. I'm not going to speak on their situation because that's none of my business. all I'm gonna say is I'm not getting paid for that. Well, maybe for the return pay, but no $20, that's for sure. So that is like, I don't even know. I'll have to check, but probably 40 minutes wasted time. Even longer, actually, because I have to drive all the way back to return it. Luckily, they did give me an order heading back into my zone, so it's not all terrible. I mean, this order's not even good, but it's bringing me back in, so that's something. Got a Starbucks. I think it said like $7 going, I don't remember, maybe 6 miles. Okay, we're about a mile away from the store. Not terrible, I guess. Yeah, it took another 15 minutes for that guy to figure out how to do that return, so definitely over an hour for that whole fiasco. Next up is a McDonald's going 5 miles.
DoorDash Zachary? Oh, okay. Deal.
Total for that order was $10. Next order up is Sherry's. This one's going about 4 miles. So that's how we're parking, huh? Thank you. Total for that order was $6. Kind of terrible, but it is what it is. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $12 going 3 miles, 2 items.
Can I find something?
Sure. This is Rich and Rare 80 proof Canadian whiskey. Oh, I see it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna start heading home. Current time is 9:34. Current total is, I have no idea actually. I'll just update it whenever I get the rest of the earnings at the end of the day. Just know at one point we were up a little over an hour, so we can blame that alcohol order that went kabunk. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Why are we stopping randomly?